Hi Tar Heels. Our students will set off and follow career paths that we can't even imagine yet. And Caroline is committed to ensuring that you, our students, have the career development resources you need to thrive. University Career Services provides career education and professional development opportunities for both undergraduate and graduate students. Additionally, the Career Peer Program offers the opportunity to get advice on job application materials and best practices from a fellow student prior to meeting with a member of the professional staff. I encourage you to check out their lineup of events and opportunities throughout National Career Development Month this November. I want to acknowledge the hard work of our career services professionals across campus and thank you for everything you do to help prepare our students for the next step on their journey. Enable Career Development is an essential initiative in our strategic plan, and meeting that goal would not be possible without the insight and guidance that you provide. Thank you, and go Heels.